Hello and welcome to our video on the new updates now available on the Kizeo Forms solution. To start off, you can now customize the name of the media from a photo field. To do so, access the options of the photo element and click on the Advanced tab. Enter the export name you want to give to your photos and then validate. In our example, the photos will be renamed Demo. The filled out data from the mobile app can be accessed from the Data History or Exports option. As you can see, the media exports have been renamed as Demo. You can also use tags in the export name of your photos. For example, your form contains a date field and you want the name of your photos to be composed of the date in addition to the demo name. To do this, simply copy the tag from the date field into the customization area. This way, the export name of your photos will include the date. As you can see, the media exports now include the date followed by demo. Rather than displaying the photo, you may wish to have a link to download it directly from our servers. The Excel lists show the photo and displays the download link. This link contains the custom name you entered in the photo field. Secondly, photos added to forms from the Kizeo Forms mobile app now includes date, time, and geolocation in their metadata. You can also display the date and time of generation of your custom reports. The new tag generation time allows you to display the date and time of the document generation in a custom report. As you can see, once the data is filled in and sent, this is filled in automatically in your custom report. To get this information in a standard PDF report, just check the option Display the date and time when the PDF was created. Once the data is filled in, this date will be displayed on your standard report. Three new tags have been introduced to help us retrieve the push recipient's first name, last name, and email address fields. This can be used in a custom export to display the first name, last name, and email address of the person to whom the data was transferred. You can also create an email scenario. For example, when your user enters a holiday request and transfers it to his manager, he can receive a notification via email. In the settings, you can use the recipient first name and recipient last name tags to personalize the message. Then in the list of recipients, enter the recipient email tag. Finally, select transfer in the sending conditions. Therefore, once a leave request is pushed to the manager will receive an email notification. Lastly, you can display the date and time of your NFC tags or barcodes in your Excel list and CSV exports. To do so, in the custom Excel list or custom CSV reports, just check the NFC tag date and barcode date options. As you can see, the custom Excel list contains the dates for the barcode and the NFC tag. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at support@kizeo.com.